Hey, what's going on YouTube? Joseph White here, and you're watching another JDub Twins video. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the top 3 things that I still love about my 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Widebody after a year of ownership. So let's get into it. So, number 1, no maintenance issues. So since I've had this car, I'm at pretty much to this month, March, I've been at a year of ownership. I have 12,755 miles on the car, and I will probably absolutely jinx myself as I say this, but so far so good. No mechanical issues. The car has been riding beautifully. After installing the Hellcat airbox, no issues. After installing the JLT catch can, no issues. After doing the mid muffler delete, no issues. So I couldn't, be happier. I've been driving in track mode, sport mode, street mode, custom mode, switching it all up, taking the car through all the parameters. I've been driving like a chill guy, right? Pretty civilized. And I've also been punching it and, driving a bit spiritedly. And so far, in the 12 months that I've owned the car, no issues. So I couldn't be happier. And so, a year later, I'm still loving the car. The car's doing great. I am due for an oil change soon, a tire rotation, but outside of that, no issues. I have heard some horror stories of people, engines blowing or, certain oil leaks and this and that. I've been blessed so far to not have to deal with any of those issues, so I'm doing great. Number 2. The power of this car. It's been a year later, 12 months, and I still can't get over the power of this Scat Pack. 485 horsepower, 475 pound-feet of torque, and I'm having so much fun with it. I still managed to spin the wheels out on this car. I know some people say once you get, a certain amount of horsepower, once you experience that, you're gonna want more. So far, so good. I love the amount of power. I had to run that yellow light real fast. That this car puts out. It's a wonderful amount of power. To me, it's the sweet spot. Just enough to still get yourself in trouble. Not too much that you're losing so much traction. This is a fun car. Throttle response is wonderful. If I'm driving around town just in the regular street mode, and even in street mode in itself, it puts out power and it's responsive. But when I put it into track mode, I have to watch out with the throttle response. It's pretty intense. So after 12 months of owning the vehicle, 485 horsepower is plenty for me, and it's a lot of fun. This is a torquey vehicle, 475 pound-feet of torque. I get off the line wonderfully. It's very responsive. You get after it and you go, and it's so much fun. Number 3. Okay, so for number 3, this is kind of a catch-all, but hey, look, after a year of owning this car, I have not gotten over the looks. This car still, it's outstanding. Every time I walk away from this car, I can't help but to turn around and look at it about 3 or 4 or 5 times. Even to this day, I get so many compliments still on the looks of this car. I've seen other Scat Pack Widebody owners that have been driving around town, and we wave at each other, we both have an appreciation for our cars. I've seen a black one, I've seen a white one, I've seen the indigo blue, and every time I think they look great. It doesn't matter what color they are. However, for my FA green, I still think this FA green pops like no other, and it's so nice. I love it. The wide body stance looks so mean. I am looking into getting some lowering springs though. I do need to get rid of this wheel gap though. I will say after a year, I thought maybe I'd get used to the wheel gap, but I do need to lower this thing. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick video of my thoughts on my car after owning it for a year. Long story short, I love it. I haven't gotten over it yet, and I'm looking forward to what this next year brings for us in the Scat Pack. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Catch you in a little bit. Thanks. Bye.